Hi, this is Argentina from DBC Solutions, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to do the daily logs. Okay, first of all, you're gonna go to your job thread profile, and then you're gonna click up in daily logs. Of course, you're gonna click up in add daily logs, and as you can see, you're gonna start filling out all the information. So first of all, you're gonna select a job. If you're working with us, you might be working in more than one job. So you gotta choose the one that you're working in that moment and then select the date. As you can see, you can add notes, internal notes, anticipated delays, materials pickups or delivery, unplanned task, safety incidents, and it is mandatory for every daily log to upload photos. Okay, guys. This is very important because we need a record for the future for your job and our job. So this is for a backup for our clients. Okay, so and it is very easy. So you're just gonna click up in upload and choose the picture and open it. As you can see, you can add more information. For example, bathroom. Bathroom number 1. Description, the vanity. This is just an example, okay? You just click up in done, and as you can see, you have the information here. The only thing that you have to do now is save it, okay? I think, guys, this is super easy. What do you think? Let me know if I can help you with something or you have any questions, okay? Bye-bye.